How to buy Ethereum blockchain coin on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Ethereum blockchain coin on Trust Wallet. So to buy Ethereum blockchain or any other cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet, you typically need to use an integrated document decentralization exchange, that is DEX, or connect your wallet to centralized exchange. Now here's a guide on how you can do it. Now first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in. So for that, type in Trust Wallet and then enter in your code and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. Now some of the general tips you need to remember while you're doing this procedure, that is, make sure that you have sufficient funds in your Trust Wallet to purchase Ethereum. You need to transfer funds from another wallet to exchange if you don't already have ETH in your Trust Wallet. After that, you need to open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, like I said before, and then navigate to DA apps or browsers. Now, due to some security concern, the screen is unavailable, so you just need to follow the instructions. Once you've done that, now this section allows you to access decentralized application, and including the centralized exchange, that is DEX. After that, and alternatively, you can also connect your Trust Wallet to centralized exchange that supports Ethereum trading. Now, if you're using DEX browser, though the available DA apps and selected a decentralized exchange that support Ethereum trading. After you've done that, you need to specify the amount of Ethereum that you're using or that you're sending, and then you need to review the exchange rate. After that, follow the prompt to complete the purchase. Then you can verify your transaction and all sort of things. And once you purchase Ethereum, it's important to store it securely in your Trust Wallet. Consider transferring the ETH to separate wallet address or enabling additional security features. So in that way, you can buy Ethereum blockchain coins on Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.